trip. Are you excited, Jill?
Yes. We're going to Johnsén. We're going down to south of Margaret River.
DEEPDENE Agistment. Bookings essential.
We're gonna camp here for a couple of nights.
This is awesome.
Are we allowed to park anywhere?
Yeah.
Second try.
You're back where you were.
Yeah, it looks
That'll
exactly the same.
Now where's he going?
Dad's driving around in circles trying to find a campsite.
That is a serious bed.
Yeah, it's good, right?
A boot scraper. Haven't you seen a pie before?
That's a traditional Australian food, I guess, a meat pie.
When you see the shed, he built it all himself.
Always documenting. How are you?
I'm good. Good to see you, bro. This snake season.
And then it says underneath, never forget how lucky you are.
This tiger chased him across the paddock, threw a rock and missed it, and the tiger kept coming and Jack got going a bit quicker and the tiger kept going a bit quicker and he halfway there across the paddock he said, what the hell am I doing running from a snake?
It's a pretty good mugshot. Oh my god.
Firearms license.
Oh no way. And they let you have it? That's brilliant. I don't know where we're going. Secret spot, can't tell you, locals only.
I'll catch you in a bit.
Yep, see you down there.
It's a beautiful spot.
Amazing spot.
She's been in better condition.
Crayfish snare.
I just put that up my wetsuit sleeve.
Oh yeah.
Bloody paparazzi!
You gonna catch tonight dinner?
Probably not. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to, but I'm going to try. Hold on, Stephan! Woo! Oh shit! Oh yeah, Steph got a bit of a shock, I think. Yeah.
How many did you get?
Big fat zero. She's always teasing me about my one deformity. Dunny delivery service. That's an Aussie dunny. This is a long drop toilet.
And
These are the ones that scare the tourists because underneath here is where the redback spiders live. Do your business, get yourself a bucket of sawdust.
Doesn't need water for flushing. Very simple to maintain and will not pollute the environment.
I'm impressed, Justin.
The TARDIS from Doctor Who. How to use the solar shower. Turn the tap. Click the switch.
She likes being centre of attention, eh?
Yes, she does.
Aww. That's so
so cute.
Yeah, I got
Clever,
before I
eh?
feed her. I used
Of course. Lamb.
Let's see. Bon appétit, hein?
Justin's landing his troopy that he's had for, I don't know how long he's had this thing. I don't know what this end is, but I think this end's our starter. See if we can figure it out. No, we can't steal it. There must be a trick. No. I don't know.
Come and work on the farm. Life experience.
How long you had the farm for?
7 years. 73 acres.
How many cows do you have?
7, 8, plus the 3 calves, so 11.
And horses?
16, about 200 ducks, 3 chooks, dog, and about 50 tiger snakes. Topless Swedish woofers, not yet. Fun, Leigh and Stephanie.
Leigh?
Hi.
How are you, Stephan? Vet's here to perform an ultrasound on the mare here. On 2 of them, there's 2 pregnant horses.
Alright.
What's the name?
Penny,
How long is the gestation for a horse?
11 months. Some people check them at 21 days pregnancy. If there's twins, they can squeeze one of them to give one more likelihood of surviving.
Yeah.
But she's 35 days, but she's an old mare, so we just got to see what's cysts and what's pregnancies. And I might get you to hold this, Daly.
Favorite profession at the moment.
Yeah. What do you need? Shut.
No, not very good. See that? There's a bit of fluid in there. Pain. It's not 35 days.
So no baby in there?
No, sadly.
I'm just a fat belly. No baby in there, unfortunately. Some cysts, but no baby.
Stephan likes his reggae.
Tunes.
Right up. Alright.
So what is for dinner?
Retail stew. It's a bit jelly-like at the moment. Homemade bread and kangaroo stew.
Good morning.
Today we're going climbing in one of our old crag that we used to go when we lived in Australia. It's called Willy Abra.
Oh look, kangaroos. Quick. Thought we'd see something. This is our little access bridge. It's really cool, this place, really abrupt, because this is actually, you can see the fence here, this is private property.
This is the toilets with the best view in the world.
Climb called heavy metal, 24 I think it is. Well, I'd been trying it many years ago when I was just started climbing, and it was always pretty tough. So I thought I'll come here and try it again. I remembered the crux, everything about it, and then I got scared, shaky, pump, and fell off. I'm going to try again. I got it. Pretty excited. Should have got it the first go, but it's okay. I'm still pretty pumped. Probably tried that the first time maybe 8 years ago. So sick. Came here, we've rock climbed. The plan was to take it real easy today, but we've been invited to a wedding last minute. Timmy Ferguson, a guy I used to work with on the rigs, absolute legend. I think we're going to take him up on the offer.
I can't go to a wedding wearing that.
Yes, you
So
can.
hopefully the up shop will be open and I can buy a cheap dress. So we're going to the second-hand store, see if we can find some clothes. This one, I like it. That's very nice.
$8.
Perfect. Yeah, you should get a hat. You are looking really good.
You look really pretty.
Ready to go for the wedding?
Yeah, mate.
Wash the shit off your hand.
What? Oh.
Go get that off there. Maybe we can make an offer on this one tonight, take it back to France, put the camper on the back of this baby.
You'll have to put your beers and your drinks down for this. Oh, I'm sorry about that. 12, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Find a new partner. And again, in and bow. Cross to the other side. And round we go.
Let's go, Frenchie.
Where are we going today?
Actually, we can't tell you because it's a secret trail.
Secret spot, yeah.
We're clearing a path to a lookout on Justin's property.
What is it? The Apocalypse exit trail. You know that's why I got back into horses?
Yeah?
Because I not for fucking the end of the world, but just to be self-sufficient and just use them for transport.
So this trail is made by you, is that correct?
I can neither confirm nor deny these allegations. It's so funny how Girly gives Stephan shit on those videos. Fuck, it's funny.
Did you like her pajamas?
Pajamas were gold.
The thing was though, she didn't show it, but I'm wearing exactly the same. What a cool trail, he made it himself. Yeah.